Thanks you for watching this video. Please comment your ideas below to make more interesting videos. Review Galaxy J2 2016, Range LED Samsung's first novel. LED lights colorful announcement probably standpoint on Galaxy J2 most strange that I have not seen in 2016 on any product. In addition, the machine is also significantly upgraded the camera and battery configuration than Galaxy J2 Junior last year. Advantage: LED notification lights, novelty, convenience. Many smart features. Good screen. Disadvantages: beautifully designed yet HDR camera shortage. Weak GPU processing. Novel design with LED headlights and the Samsung logo on the back. Seen from the front will not be much different from the other products of Samsung. Still a physical home button, 2 navigation keys and familiar speaker clusters. J2 The difference in 2016 came from the back with an LED ring running around the familiar phrase of Samsung cameras. Part logo is also doing pretty fancy. I also do not know is beautiful or ugly, but also interesting, is the emphasis on creating products. The body is still round curved, grip feeling good, but the lack of use, the rugged looks strong for their product, so follow the product is suitable for you prefer more feminine. Contour around the machine is coated with shiny chrome, beautiful but if used longer inevitable phenomenon, very unsightly peeling. Upgrade points that you liked on screen. J2 2016 is equipped with HD resolution, come with Samsung's Super AMOLED technology. The display quality of the machine is very good in the cheap segment. Android 6.0 with many smart features. Machine interface is not much different from the other products of Samsung. However, in 2016, the firm J2 not called TouchWiz again. Samsung's new interface has several custom help process more convenient to use the machine as part of the message will be divided into several categories like app notifications, system messages. The machine is also equipped with the data-saving features when combined with Opera. Samsung said that with this feature it will save up to 50% of the data network. S-Bike features introduced on J5/J7 2016 were also present on the J2. J2 also be equipped with a technology that Samsung called Turbo Boost technology. The configuration of the machine should be modest, according to the company said the game. This feature will help up performance for a better experience. Special section cannot fail to mention on J2 2016 is an LED notification, called Smart Glow. Part of this LED can be used to inform low battery warning, memory is full, app notifications, message, or call is quite similar to the front light on many other products. It especially makes J2 can customize the color of the lights through software. You can also color options for each indicator different contexts. Just look at the lights that indicate an incoming call from someone. According to this theory, the headlights can display full color in RGB space-wise by adjusting the intensity of the 3 primary colors in the settings. Definition camera good but not high detail. Like many other products of Samsung, the software of the machine always pushed up very high image definition. This helps the eye flattering photo, but in return, the details when zooming up losing a lot. However, the basic user and price range of less than 3 million, without demanding too well in this regard. Regrettably, point machine without HDR feature. Here are some pictures taken from the camera of the Galaxy after the 2016 J2. Batteries. Light performance is upgraded from its predecessor. Be upgraded to 2600 mAh battery. Galaxy J2 2016 can withstand 4 to 5 hours on screen. If only used to surf the web with Wi-Fi, then maybe more. Quite enough for 1 day of use with moderate needs. He does not know what a revolution or reform called back, as 2015 J2 is equipped with Exynos chip, but we're back to J2 2016 Spreadtrum chips. CPU use on J2's 2016 for 1.5 GHz Exynos chips, higher on longer used previously, however comes with a very weak GPU, Mali 400 MP2. The early J2 Mali T720 is equipped with Samsung over recorder on Antutu benchmark 24,500 points and 1,200 points with Geekbench 3. With 1.5 GB of RAM, the machine is enough experience in the graphic. Asphalt 8 average is still the most worrying points of the GPU. Concussion. With $145 price at launch, more than 3 million, J2 Galaxy 2016 has many worthwhile upgrade compared to 2015. Especially junior section notification LED and many useful features. However, the appearance and performance of the machine is not really impressive. But if there is no demand heavy fighting games, excessive use 2016 software, the J2 is also worth the wait. Thanks you for watching this video. Please comment your ideas below to make more interesting videos.